Close your eyes, Stephanie.
She hungry.
I'm full.
She hungry. Give her a big bite.
Alright, where's the napkins just in case? Just in case. Oh, so I'm gonna give you throw it away.
Keep your eyes
You
closed.
recording?
Yeah. Open wide. Do not spill it out your mouth. I mean, throw it out your mouth.
I'm scared. Okay, open your mouth. Open.
Keep your eyes closed.
Wait, Jason, wait, hold on. Hold on.
Stop, wait, keep your eyes closed.
Keep your eyes
It's
closed.
nothing bad, Stephanie.
Yo, I don't trust you, Hannah.
No. She's not gonna put anything.
You give it to me. You ready?
Wait, I can't see.
Wait.
Johanna, I can't see. You did it? You did it? You drank it?
I have to think in my head. Don't look. Yo. You put the vagina in my mouth. Stephanie, you ready?
Alright, you ready?
Johanna, stop. Come on, because somebody can't be standing up here.
Stop. Stop. Alright, ready? Wait, we
Stop.
got the board. You ready? Move your hand.
Come on. Stop.
Wait.
You can't do that because then you're going to dirty your clothes.
It's really nasty. Okay, hurry up there.
It's not nasty at all.